Let me show you how to make this locker look new. We're going to start by sanding it down. Any orbital sander will work. I started with a 250 grit sandpaper. Prep work is going to be everything. We want to try to get it as smooth as possible. You'll see here in a minute, I did not cut into the metal with the sandpaper as well as I should have. The paint gummed up the sandpaper actually. So this was a lacquer based paint and I needed to use a lacquer thinner on the paint before sanding it. So my first shot at this turned out horribly. I painted it, didn't look good, and so I had to start all over. This is the second time around. I used a heat gun to get the paint off of the handle area. Heat gun, paint thinner, and a wire brush. More prep work. Now you can see the paint coming off and I'm able to get the surface smooth. Handles taped up. Prep work is just about done. You get a good look at it. See, I've got the yellow Rust-Oleum paint from the can. I'm gonna add a little bit of mineral spirits to it to thin it so we can spray it. That's our spray gun right there, DeVille Bliss. I believe that's how you say it. And this is our finished locker. I think it's still wet right now. Okay, tape's off. It's dry. That's it. Outside, under the sunlight, looking pretty good to me.